The next topic I want to jump to, which we've touched a little bit on, is AI. We've talked a little bit about ways you use AI, but are there any other ways that you guys are either using AI, or any specific AI tools that you're using, or anything like third-party outsourcing that you're doing that maybe isn't tied to AI? I know ChatGPT is a big one. What are some ways that you guys use ChatGPT?
I might use it strictly for language grammar ideas. I'm not necessarily paying for any form of advertising, but I use it to help me tweak my advertising or give me some great ideas in advertising, and it's been very helpful.
So we're very big on using a lot of our own photos, not stock photos, for our marketing. Canva, I guess, I don't know, I've just noticed the last few months that they have an AI tool now too, but you can also access it through ChatGPT. So I plug in our own actual photos, and it helps me just mock up something for marketing or to help along with the strategy or the goal that I'm going for. It might not be exactly what I'm looking for, but it takes some of the guesswork out of it or gives me a fresh idea, and I can just move some things around. So I'm big on using Canva for that.
Have any of you guys used like Upwork or any third-party service like that?
We've used Fiverr. When we first opened, we used Fiverr for recording our phone system. We've switched from that system from now, but for our phone tree, neither one of us felt like we had good talking voices. So we hired a voice actor to do our voice prompts for us. I think we paid $17. Like, it wasn't hard at all. So, but in other ventures that we've had, other businesses we've had, we've used them for graphics. We've used other for phone design, in different recordings. And Fiverr's kind of like, you could hire a college kid too. Some of them aren't really expensive and they do really good work. And you can choose, and you can kind of solicit from 5 people and see which one gives you the best option back, and then use them. So we've used Fiverr.
Yeah, we've used both for different marketing collateral, that kind of stuff, design work in the past.